If you're looking for a mid-budget smartphone with an absolute killer camera, I'm talking something that can genuinely go toe-to-toe with an iPhone Pro, then stop scrolling. You need to see what Nokia is cooking up. According to the latest, jaw-dropping reports, Nokia isn't just releasing a phone, they're releasing a camera with a phone attached. They're supposedly packing this incredible device with a 300-megapixel DSLR level camera. In running the show, the absolute powerhouse, the Snapdragon 8 Gen Elite processor. All of this at a price point that makes absolutely no sense. Meet the beast, Nokia EVE Max 5G. In today's deep dive, we're breaking down the full unbelievable feature, the price, and the launch date you need to circle. Let's dive in. Features of the Nokia EVE Max 5G. Display. First up, the display. Forget compromise. This beast is rocking a massive 6.95-inch Full HD Plus LTPO panel, with HDR10 Plus support. It's gorgeous. But the real magic, a buttery-smooth 144Hz refresh rate. Seriously, your thumb will thank you. For protection, you get the ultimate shield, Gorilla Glass Armor 2, and yes, an in-display fingerprint sensor that is instant. Camera setup. Alright, time for the showstopper. The camera. This isn't a triple camera setup, it's a triple arsenal. It's headlined by a mind-blowing, almost impossible 300-megapixel primary sensor with OIS. And it doesn't quit there. You also get a 50-megapixel ultra-wide, and an 8-megapixel macro. And for my selfie nation, a colossal 100-megapixel front camera ready to capture every pore, every detail. Performance. Under the hood, this phone is a monster. It's powered by Qualcomm's newest and most lethal chipset, the Snapdragon 8 Gen Elite. We're talking blazing fast speeds, zero lag, and flawless multitasking. You will not slow this phone down. And for software, you're getting the latest and greatest Android 16 right out of the box. Talk about future-proofing. Battery and charging. Now, for the fuel. Worried about powering this beast? Don't be. The Nokia EVE 5G packs a gigantic 7500mAh battery. But the real speed demon is the charging, 125-watt super fast charging. That means you go from dead to done, zero to full, faster than you can brew a cup of coffee. Price and launch date. So, when can you get your hands on this spec monster? This power-packed Nokia is expected to hit the global market late 2025. But here is the part that will make you rethink your next phone purchase. The starting price is rumored to be just around $690. So what do you think? Is this the phone that finally dethrones the iPhone? Let me know in the comments below.